Stocks rose on Monday as a weaker dollar and growing confidence that higher prices have peaked helped Wall Street's relief rally continue ahead of a key inflation report. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 229.63 points, or 0.71%, stand at 32,381.34. The S&P 500 rose 1.06% and closed at 4,110.41. The Nasdaq Composite added 1.7%, wrapping the session at 12,266.41. Energy was the top sector, but the rally was broad, with Bristol-Myers Squibb gaining 3.14% and tech stalwart Apple adding 3.85%. The moves extended a rebound for U.S. stocks, as all three major averages snapped a 3-week losing streak on Friday. Stocks have been volatile ahead of the September 20th to 21st meeting of the Federal Reserve, where the central bank is expected to deliver its third consecutive 0.75 percentage point rate hike in an effort to combat high inflation. Fed officials have reiterated in recent weeks they will keep hiking rates to fight inflation even if it hurts economic growth. But some recent developments, including a weakening dollar and military success by Ukraine, appear to be boosting investor sentiment. Many traders are also optimistic about the August Consumer Price Index report, which is scheduled for release on Tuesday morning. The combination of the somewhat surprising successes in Ukraine, and the possibility of a very favorable inflation headline that maybe even shows a decline for last month. And at that point the main threat in the short term and in the medium term will be whether earnings continue to deteriorate. La cobertura del mercado de hoy en español aquí. The S&P 500 rose Monday for a fourth day for the first time since July 7, while the Nasdaq Composite and Nasdaq-100 indexes did the same for the first time since July 8. Animal spirits returned for the iShares Russell 1000 Growth ETF, IWF2, also higher for a fourth day for the first time July 8. No surprise, the dollar index fell for a fourth straight day. In commodities, silver was a standout, surging 5.82% to $19.86, the most since July 28 but the first 6-day rally since the day Russia invaded Ukraine, February 24. Corn and soybean contracts both reached their highest since late June, bad news for agricultural input costs and, indirectly, food inflation. Scott Schnipper with Christopher Hayes and Gina FrancollaInflation likely eased a bit in August as gasoline prices declined, but probably not enough to end. The Consumer Price Index is due out Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. ET. It's expected to show that prices excluding food and fuel rose 0.3% from July and 6% from a year ago. Including those two sectors, so-called headline CPI is projected to decline 0.1% for the month but still be up 8% on an annual basis.